Hi, I'm Ben from JetCool Technologies. I'm here at Data Center World in Austin, Texas this year. We're showing off our SmartPlate System, which is a fully integrated closed-loop cooling system that fits right into the server chassis. So I'll take you on a little tour of what we're showing here. So we have our microjet cold plates, which basically impinge a cold plate with high-velocity fluid jets, and that removes the heat really well from the hottest areas of the chip. That fluid is then pumped right through an air heat exchanger, again inside the server chassis, so it all fits right in the case. If you put a lid on the server, you'd never know it was liquid cooled, but that really lets you get the heat rejection capabilities of liquid cooling in an air-cooled form factor. So in this particular instance, a 2U, this is a stock Dell R740XD server. We can get up to 1,200 watts of heat dissipation. And that really isn't possible with stock air cooling.